Hey guys, it's Andrea, and today I'm coming at you with this month's mystery, and oh my goodness, this is my favorite mystery of the whole year, and I'm so excited. Though December mystery is really cute too, and I think a lot of you guys are really gonna like it. But this one is just like something I've been waiting for a long time. It's the perfect winter kit in my opinion, but like still could totally be anytime. But I love it so much, and I have been hyping this up for a while, and I just think it's so perfect. So let me go ahead and show you guys. This is the November mystery, and it is so pretty. I just can't even. So let's go ahead and go through this. This is in the old format. You guys will have saw the like new format, and that will start in January for the mystery, and in February we will have the new foil bundles in mystery in our ultimate kit. So I'll go more into that in the future, but it's always going to be good and so exciting. So let's go into this kit. I just am obsessed with this. It is exclusive art by Kit and Jess. This is like the best. I think this actually was her idea, and I just love it so much. I love the like wintry mermaid vibes. I think the art is fantastic. All of the details, the colors. I love the blue. I think this will look really pretty with lavender hollow if you have it, but honestly sparkly hollow silver. Like it's just a real look. Or if you want to go crazy and do a purple, we have a purple coming out soon that Kirsten's like obsessed with. I think would look really pretty with this as well. Or even like a lavender hollow mix would be really cute, but there's lots of options. So those are the full boxes. These are the extras to full boxes. So you have a really cute like little manicure and then a little planner spread. And then you also have like a little like sneak to the foil items with the little snowflakes there. I love the patterns, these colors. So you have like a medium blue, a light blue, a gray, and then this really pretty purple color. Tons of deco there. You have your functional page. The glitter throughout is kind of like, you can see it kind of on the strip. It's a really pretty, like the mixture of the colors with a little bit of silver in there. You have your icons page, the little things, and then last but not least, you do have the bottom washi, which looks kind of like ice/water, which I just think is so cute. So that is the ultimate kit. Let me go ahead into the sticker extras. So you do have the 15mm strip. So this month well, last month you know that all the sheets were the same size, but this month you actually get two, and then this is like an extra. So you do have the glitter headers here and the label sampler, right? And then because I wanted to do a ton of fashion boxes, I decided to do the 15mm strip on its own. So these are all of the fashion like mermaids, and I love them all so much. It really extends the kit, and also just like every single one of them had to be in there. There is, I think, 4 different kind of like poses, and I am just obsessed with every single one of them. And I think that it just really makes the spread super special with all of the beautiful mer people in it. Then the ultimate does also have a little polar bear die cut because I thought he was so cute. It is a vinyl sticker, and I just thought adorable. So you have him. Then there's also the matte freebie, which I think that December will be the last month that, no, January will be the last month that the ultimate gets this, because I'm going to be doing something different with the foil. It's going to be like an upgrade for sure. So that'll be just in the mini kit starting February on. And then this is the foil bundle. It's so cute. So we do have the hollow silver and gold version of this on the shop, and this is the sparkly hollow version. And I just think something about sparkly hollow snowflakes makes it feel so special. You have the 15mm, you have the label sampler, you have the cutout icons, you have 3 of these here, which are so cute. You have your headers, half cut headers, and full boxes, circle icons, and then just like the foil bundles in shop, you do have the 2 extra full boxes along with the 2 like snow quotes, and then a ton of little decos, which will go great all over your spread, or if you want to decorate more full boxes. So that is November mystery, and I am so obsessed with it. I just think it's such pretty art. The colors are amazing. The foil bundle is excellent. I'm just obsessed with it. It's, like I said, my favorite mystery this year. Next, we have the mini kit, and I just think that this collection is just so pretty. So first thing you have here is the full boxes. You have the deco, the functional, the mini kit page, the bottom washi, and then you have the glitter header labels and the matte foil freebie, which I will be keeping the matte foil freebie in the mini kits. As far as this page goes, I'm still going to have, like, you're still going to get the same amount of stuff. I just have to kind of reconfigure it for January mystery starting, because it'll be the new format where the glitter headers are already in the kit. So we kind of have this much room. So I'm trying to think if I want to do like maybe an extra fashion option and more labels, or if you want like maybe another little thing in the colors and then the 15 millimeter. Let me know in the comments down below what you want this, it'll actually be a little bit bigger than this area, but this area to kind of be like, what would you like to see if you're a mini kit subscriber in that area? So definitely need your guys' help on that, but I know we will think of something amazing and perfect. And as for the ultimate kit, like I said, I'm going to be kind of like upgrading the foil with the new foil bundles, and you're going to be getting more. So we're really excited about that. So that is everything for this month's mystery. Like I said, am in love with this kit. It's my favorite this year. I just think it's so pretty, and like ice mermaids, yes. The blues, the purple, the gray, I just love everything about it. I hope that you guys do too, and I will talk to you guys in my next video.